Good morning, children. Like I promised yesterday in yesterday's class, today for the class in GCR, we will not be doing nomenclature. I have taught you all the rules of nomenclature for naming IUPAC, organic compounds. Today we will start with the chapter, and at the end of the class, I will give you about 10 to 20 organic compounds that you have to name, and you will send me your work by 6 p.m. in the evening today. So we start with organic chemistry. Introduction. Of course, organic chemistry, all compounds that are obtained from living organisms are organic. Everything starting from compounds obtained from plants, from trees, from barks of trees, from human beings, anything extracted from living organisms are organic. Secondly, organic compounds have carbon in their main skeleton. The skeleton of the compounds basically contain carbon. And why carbon? There are 4 reasons to it, which we have studied in class 10. I am repeating the 4 reasons. First, carbon has a valency 4. It's tetravalent. Tetravalent means carbon at one point of time can form 4 covalent bonds by sharing its electrons. 4 covalent bonds. Secondly, carbon has the property of catenation. That means it can go on forming long chains. Long chains. It can go on forming like this. Forming long chains of compounds. If you remember the formula of soap, children, which is an organic compound, soap is C17H35 Na, which means 17 carbon atoms, rather 18 carbon atoms are joined to each other by single covalent bonds. This property of the same atom forming long chains by bonding with each other is called catenation. So what are the 4 reasons because of which carbon forms the basic skeleton of organic compounds? Number 1, it is tetravalent. Number 2, it undergoes catenation. Number 3, carbon has the property to form carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon triple bond in the same compound as carbon-carbon single bond. It can form double and triple bonds along with single bonded carbon atoms. These 3 are the basic reason why carbon forms the basic skeleton of organic compounds.